As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Vechain cost will hit 3 cents toward the finish of 2029. Vechain value expectation 2023 to 2024 Vechain cost began in 2023 at $0.0157. Today, Vechain exchanged at $0.0165, so the cost expanded by 5% from the very start of the year. The gauge Vechain cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0196 and the year-to-year change plus 25%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 19%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Vechain cost will drop to $0.0179. In the last part, the cost would lose $0.0024 and close the year at $0.0155, which is 6% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Tuesday, September 26, $0.0165. Wednesday, September 27, $0.0166. Thursday, September 28, $0.0166. Friday, September 29, $0.0166. Saturday, September 30, $0.0167. Sunday, October 1, $0.0167. Monday, October 2, $0.0167. Tuesday, October 3, $0.0168. October 15, $0.017. November 15, $0.018. December 15, $0.019. January 15, $0.095. February 15, $0.092. March 15, $0.089. Vechain expectation 2025 to 2029. This 5 years would bring an increment. Vechain cost would move from $0.0155 to $0.0310, which is up 100%. Vechain will begin 2025 at $0.0155, then take off to $0.0157 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0185. That implies plus 12% from today. Vechain forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Vechain cost would ascend from $0.0310 to $0.0484, which is plus 56%. Vechain will begin 2030 at $0.0310, then, at that point, take off to $0.0330 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $0.0350. It is about plus 112% from today. Vechain value forecast 2023 to 2024 Vechain cost began in 2023 at $0.0157. Today, Vechain exchanged at $0.0158, so the cost diminished by 0% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Vechain cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0194 and the year-to-year change plus 23%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 23%. In the principal half of 2024, the Vechain cost will drop to $0.0178. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.0024 and close the year at $0.0154, which is 3% to the ongoing cost. Vechain expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Vechain cost would move from $0.0154 to $0.0309, which is up 101%. Vechain will begin 2025 at $0.0154, then take off to $0.0156 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0184. That implies plus 16% from today. Vechain expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Vechain cost would ascend from $0.0309 to $0.0482, which is plus 56%. Vechain will begin 2030 at $0.0309, then, at that point, take off to $0.0329 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $0.0349. It is about plus 121% from today. 8/15/2023 Vechain value expectation 2023 to 2024 Vechain cost began in 2023 at $0.0157. Today, Vechain exchanged at $0.0184, so the cost expanded by 17% from the very start of the year. The gauge Vechain cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0222 and the year-to-year change plus 41%. The ascent from today to year-end? plus 21%. In the main portion of 2024, the Vechain cost will drop to $0.0197. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0009 and close the year at $0.0206, which is plus 12% to the ongoing cost. Vechain expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Vechain cost would move from $0.0206 to $0.0391, which is up 90%. Vechain will begin 2025 at $0.0206, then take off to $0.0252 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0274. That implies plus 49% from today. Vechain forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Vechain cost would ascend from $0.0391 to $0.0532, which is plus 36%. Vechain will begin 2030 at $0.0391, then, at that point, take off to $0.0416 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $0.0441. It is about plus 140% from today. 8-1 2023 Vechain value forecast 2023 to 2024 Vechain cost began in 2023 at $0.0157. Today, Vechain exchanged at $0.0183, so the cost expanded by 16% from the very outset of the year. The determined Vechain cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0221 and the year-to-year change plus 41%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 21%. In the principal half of 2024, the Vechain cost will drop to $0.0196. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0008 and close the year at $0.0204, which is plus 11% to the ongoing cost. Vechain forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Vechain cost would move from $0.0204 to $0.0386, which is up 89%. Vechain will begin 2025 at $0.0204, then take off to $0.0250 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0271. That implies plus 48% from today. Vechain forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Vechain cost would ascend from $0.0386 to $0.0528, which is plus 37%. Vechain will begin 2030 at $0.0386, then, at that point, take off to $0.0411.